Hey guys, how's it going? DUJ2 here, and welcome to another unboxing video. Hey guys, well, we have a box to unbox. This unboxing is going to be, well, it's going to be a little different than the others that we have done. This is going to be for a product that I saw online. Actually, I was watching one of Pewdiepie's videos, and he showed a very interesting controller. Something that I had never seen before. I had no idea even existed, and I got it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this now. I am very excited to open up this box. This box is from a company called Arkade, and when I saw this product on Pewdiepie's video, is this going to be upright? Well, other way around. There we go. This is the 360-degree gaming blaster by Arkade. So in this video, guys, what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this beautiful little controller. We're going to take a quick look at it. I'm going to explain to you guys where you can get it if you would like to get it. And we're going to take a look at the different features that this has. I'm not going to do a review on this just yet. What I plan to do is I plan to use this on my streams for a while. I'm going to play different games with it, both on my computer and on the mobile device, because this has the capacity to do both Android games and PC games. If we look here at the top, which you guys will see right there, but it says PC games, works with the top PC and mobile games: Doom Eternal, Call of Duty, Fortnite, PUBG, Valorant, Counter-Strike, Overwatch, Gears of War, Apex Legends, Battlefield, Halo, and many more. And on Android games, Fortnite, Modern Combat, Shadowgun, Roblox, Rules of Survival, Dead Effect, Respawnables, Into the Dead, Dead Trigger, Sniper Fury, GTA Mobile, and more. So basically this is going to be I think this is absolutely incredible. This is a full immersion 360 mode, or you can do it 180 degree controller for your games. It has the capacity to do mobile, PC, and it has motion tracking, which is very, very interesting. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open, and we're gonna see what comes inside. And like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and I'm not going to do a review on it yet. I'm not going to use it right now on this video. This is purely just an unboxing, and I'll show you guys the website as well, so you guys can see what they offer there. And yeah, very, very interesting. Again, this is the Pewdiepie edition. You guys are going to see in a little bit the regular edition. The regular edition is blue, with, I believe, white, I think, is the lines, or red, I think, I forget. But let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we have inside. I had to have the Pewdiepie edition. I had to have the Pewdiepie edition, guys. It does not want to come out. There we go. Ooh. Okay, you guys have to see this with me. Wow. This is actually really cool. There it is. The Pewdiepie edition Arkade gaming blaster. Leave that over here for a second. So there it is. Let me go ahead and I think I can just pop these out. Can I? Maybe not. Okay, so it comes with I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of these first, and we'll see you there. Charging cable. This, it looks like to be the connector for your phone. So there. And let me try and get these last couple of ones. I think I might actually get, oh, here we go. I can get it from here. Let's go ahead and take it out. And we'll set this to the side. All right, so there it is. Basically what this is, it's going to be a controller. As you guys can see, you have a joystick over here on this side. You've got 3 buttons on the bottom, X, Y, and Z, as well as it looks like a power button up here. I'm guessing that's because, oh wow, the power button, you can't really get to it very easily. See up here? So you can get to these here, and you can get to your joystick here. And on this side, you're gonna have, wow, 8 more buttons. I guess you can probably set all of these to, you can map them to whatever you want. I wonder if you can macro them. It has a, wow. So also on this side here, where I keep pressing them, you're gonna have 2 buttons here as well. You're gonna have a trigger, and down here too, another button, which I'm guessing this would be like a reload button, you know? So you can set this to reload down here. Wow, that feels really good, actually. I will say though, oh, mine has a little bit of a scratch. That stinks. I don't think that I scratched that up. A little bit of scratch on the other side too. I will say this, the plastic doesn't feel the highest quality. It feels a little cheap, to be honest. Apparently mine is number 720. And then this over here, which is going to be where you're going to connect your phone, or I guess to play like that. Can it twist? No, I can just go up and down. Okay, so this is going to also be connected up here. And I'm guessing you're going to be able to connect it any way you want. Oh, okay. Like this. Like this. Doesn't really have any. It doesn't have it doesn't, oh, that one does, but these don't really have any spring. I guess maybe you just have to like go in like this. No? Or maybe like through here. Oh, gotcha. So okay, so that's how you do it. And then you can tighten this so that it's like this. And this is going to be the mode if you're going to be playing on your phone. So basically a lot of these games you're going to be able to just put right here your phone right here. So you'll be able to put your phone right there, and then you'll be able to just go ahead and play. And again, motion tracking is going to be really cool for this. All right, let me go ahead and start it up real quick. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's actually really cool. All right, so you've got the lights there on this side, and oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're actually turning blue, from blue to white. And then over here, the arcade symbol also lights up right there. Very cool. All right, so I'm guessing this also functions as the battery indicator, because I only have 2 that are well, 2 that are off. All right, let me go ahead and turn it off. So the button is not a press and hold button to turn it on. It's just a press and it turns on and off. You know what? I'm going to say this about it. Oh, I got to put some googly eyes on here. I'm going to say this about this. It does, even though it does feel like the plastic does feel, now that I'm actually feeling it, you know what? Let me actually get an actual feel for the plastic. All right. So the plastic feels, like I said, it does feel very light. It feels like if I were to drop this, it probably would crack. But it does feel rather solidly built. From what I can see, it's got multiple screws all over. You're going to have your charging port on this side as well. There we go here with this. It does feel, it feels really solid. You know what I mean? Even though it doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel like the strongest plastic maybe. If I just kind of like squish it a little bit, you guys may have heard a couple of little cracks there. It's not breaking or anything. Very light though. And you know what? Even though maybe I don't really like the lightness of it and the quality of the plastic, I will say this though, if you're going to be using it for quite a while, this is definitely going to be pretty awesome that it's so light. All right. Apart from that, I don't think we have an instruction manual on there. So what I'm going to do is, oh, also through their app, because they have an app that you have to download. Let's see, there's an app you can download, and apparently you can also download. No, apparently I think it's supposed to be just plug and play. You can connect directly to your PC and works with all FPS games on PC. And then if you want to play it through your phone, you have to connect it through the app. And also through the app, you can also stream PC games to Android and iOS phones. Or I guess from Android and iOS phones. Because it does have a feature which says YouTube and Twitch streaming. So I'm guessing through the app, you can also do that. It also has high precision gyroscope, low latency Bluetooth, haptic feedback, YouTube and Twitch streaming, and a rechargeable battery. So if you guys can see here, the lights do seem yellow and orange. I'm guessing that's going to be once it's connected. For me, it's not fully connected. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and set it to charging while we take a look at the website, and I'll show you guys a little bit more about this product. All right, so here we are at the Arcade website. If we go right here, guys, we can see a couple of different things. So right here is the blaster behind me, right there. But basically, you can go check out the blaster. We can also go and, whoa, I didn't realize we could do that. Wow. All right, so if we scroll down, oh, that's awesome. So what's so cool about it? You can, there's a bunch of games, launchers, desktop compatibility, aim accuracy, multiplayer, and game modes. A bunch of different compatible games right there, as I said before. Oh, very cool. It's like Guitar Hero, except you okay, there's Pewdiepie's shining endorsement right there. Oh, they have a Discord server. I didn't know. I'll have to check it out. And there is the Arcade Motion Blaster. It is 119 for the base edition, but if you get the PewDiePie edition, it is 129. Like I said with mine, it does seem like it has a little bit of a scratch there. I'm going to have to see what's up about that. And if I can, I might have to contact them. You know, it's nothing that I think is going to affect the playability of it. But it is a little scratch in it. Of course, like I said, the plastic does seem like, I don't know how durable it's going to be and how scratched up it's going to get. So I'm going to have to use it for a while and see just how it works out. It's got an app as well where you can get the firmware, the latest firmware for the actual blaster. Oh, that's cool. You can go live. You can start live streaming straight from the app. You know what? That might be interesting. I might have to do that. We might have to do that one of these days and try and just go live straight from the app and see what happens. And you can download the app both for Android. Oh, Apple too. I thought it was only Android and PC. So I'm going to go ahead. Definitely, I'm going to download the PC version and the Android too. I'm going to play around with it, you know, try it a couple times. We're also going to, like I said, I'm going to try and do this on stream as well. We're going to try and play with it on stream and see how it works. I mean, it might turn out to be, I mean, if it has motion detecting too, definitely it will be very interesting, you know, how it works. And also there is something called the battle pack, which is for your phone. You can have like the little buttons and triggers and everything. I didn't get this. I should have gotten it at the moment. It is $14.99. Kind of feel like I should have gotten it, but I don't really play that much on my phone anymore. Pretty much the only things I play nowadays are like Pokemon Go, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, so definitely I'll leave a link down below to the description if you guys want to go check out this right here. And like I said, I'm going to leave it here for now. If you guys would like to see more of this, if you guys would like to see a actual hands-on review, let me know down below in the comments. For now, I just wanted to do this video as a full kind of just like a unboxing review, see what you get in the, and that's awesome. See what you get in the oh, does that also shine up? That looks like it might shine the bottom part thing there. But yeah, I wanted to go through and show you guys, you know, what you got in the box. No instruction manual, nothing else like that. I'm guessing that everything is going to be explained in the app. I don't know how I feel about that. A little instruction manual might have been pretty cool, you know. Apart from that, like I said, the actual feel of the device, of the controller, I guess, it feels, like I said, it doesn't feel like super high quality plastic. But then I also have to think, but it does feel very sturdy. Even though the plastic doesn't feel like it's, you know, like very expensive plastic, it does feel very sturdy. And I can also understand that maybe they were trying to go with a little weight as possible, because obviously this is going to get a little heavy to carry after a while. And I'm also thinking how this is going to be once I get a VR system. So once I get a VR system, definitely gonna have to connect this as well, and it may be something that you guys see me use a lot on the channel. Definitely gonna have to put some googly eyes on there though. But yeah, there it is, guys. This is the Arcade Motion Blaster. Let me know what you guys think down below. Does anyone out there have it? If you do have it, how do you like it? How do you not like it? Like I said, I saw PewDiePie using this. He endorsed it, obviously, and I just had to get one. I had to get one. I've been looking for a blaster like this that I could use because I am planning to do VR content at the end of this year and next year. So this would really be good for some of the titles that I'm looking at. And also I gotta say, you know, they got me. They got me with the games. I think if I go to see all games, they got me with the fact that you can play Fortnite with it. You guys know we play Fortnite. I don't know how Save the World is going to be on this. It's probably going to be way at the beginning, isn't it? There's Deep Rock Galactic. Definitely we'll have to try on that one. And there's Fortnite. I don't think that SAR would really work with this, but you know, we'll have to try it. So we'll have to try SAR too. I don't think it'll really work very well, but definitely Fortnite and Deep Rock Galactic I think are going to be fun to try out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Of course, like I've said before, a lot more unboxing stuff will be coming in the near future. Want to show you guys this cool little item that I picked up, and if you guys want to see more about it, if you guys want to see a review, let me know down below in the comments. I'll probably do a review in a month or so, but I may do one sooner. If you guys want to see one sooner, I might go ahead and do a review sooner. And yeah, I'll definitely to see, you know, exactly what the item is like, you know, how it handles in a real world situation, and we'll go from there. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. As always, I am DUJ2. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoy what I do on my channel, please do me a huge favor and have yourself a fantastic day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.